Have you ever felt that burning sensation while urinating? If you haven't felt like that, it's the type of sensation you'll feel when you apply rubbing alcohol to an open wound. We know you're probably scrunching your face right now while picturing that out. It's painful, right? Well, that's UTI, and that's what we're going to talk about in this video. Welcome back to Modern Health, where we talk about ways on how you can easily remedy your UTI so you can avoid those painful symptoms. These remedies are things that you can easily do and find in your home, so always stay tuned. Please know that these are simply tried and tested home remedies by people and not a physician's advice. Always go seek a medical professional. Now let's talk about what UTI is. Urinary tract infection or UTI is a condition that is quite frequent in women. Pay attention to this video as we show you different techniques that can help you avoid getting a UTI, as well as provide some relief if you already have one. We've established that a UTI is an infection caused by bacteria in your urinary system, and that bacteria are typically to blame for the illness. Let's have a look at the possible remedies you can find in your home. Now, we understand that some of you might have some allergic reactions to antibiotics, and that's the very first thing most doctors prescribe you. So here are some simple, helpful options you can choose to possibly avoid going there. Number 1. Don't hold your pee or poop. Urinate once you feel it. Release. Now, this is a really significant point. Consuming a lot of water and then defecating to get rid of urinary tract infections is the most important thing to do. The greater the frequency with which you empty your bladder, the greater the likelihood that the bacteria will be eliminated. If you regularly empty your bladder, the germs that are causing the infection will die off. Then you will have a much better chance of making a full recovery from the problem. In addition, if you keep delaying your urine, this will only worsen your current condition by leading you to have kidney stones. Number 2. Drink your daily dose of vitamin C. Vitamin C tablets are quite helpful in treating this type of illness. In this instance, this vitamin causes the acidity of your urine to increase. It is now certain that everyone is afraid of vitamin C, just as bacteria are afraid of acid. Therefore, if your pee is more acidic in such cases, those germs will no longer be present. They won't be able to survive in that acidic environment, and as a result, you should be able to treat the sickness more quickly. However, please take this in moderation. Check out our other video which talks about why you should not overdose on vitamin C, as it can also silently kill you and harm your kidney. Number 3. Drink or eat yogurt. If you find yourself having UTI, taking probiotics found in yogurt may be able to assist you in your fight against infectious bacteria. Since you're aware that good, healthy bacteria is found in probiotics, this is indeed beneficial to our bodies. Yogurt contains Lactobacillus acidophilus, which is a beneficial strain of bacteria, as well as bifidobacteria, which is also beneficial. Therefore, all of these bacteria will go and battle against the germs that are causing the UTI in your body. The E. coli species, for example, or Candida albicans like fungus. Drinking yogurt can help keep away all of those other intruders from your bladder. Number 4. Cranberry. You have the option of consuming cranberries in their whole fruit form or by taking cranberry supplements. Cranberry food and juice are notoriously difficult to come by on a consistent basis. However, if you get supplements, for example, cranberry juice or cranberry supplements contain particular elements that flush away bacteria and prevent them from clinging to the wall of your bladder. This is another reason why this is a really positive development. If the bacteria in the bladder or on the bladder wall are removed, the condition may be cured far more quickly. Number 5. Live a healthy lifestyle. Keeping a healthy lifestyle will help you prevent all of those other bacterial infections in the future, in addition to assisting you in the treatment of this current UTI condition. Once you have a urinary tract infection or UTI, you should avoid consuming alcohol, foods that are spicy, nicotine, and caffeine because these items are actually known to aggravate the urinary tract. If you already have a urinary tract infection and you continue to consume foods that irritate your bladder, even more, this might cause extra damage, and it will take longer to treat this particular ailment. So always keep in mind that avoiding a problem is preferable to fixing one. Number 6. Eat Oregon grapes and specific types of Ayurvedic remedies. Oregon grapes may have specific components that behave in a manner similar to that of bacteria. In addition to this, it possesses a very essential anti-inflammatory property, which means it protects against infection and demonstrates 5 different indicators of infection. This is a pretty potent thing because it can help fight against bacteria like E. coli that can cause UTIs. Number 7. Always drink 6 to 8 glasses of water daily. This is actually the very first thing that you need to do. Consuming water helps to flush out the bacteria, which lowers the danger of you causing any further infection and speeds up your path to recovery. When you have this ailment, you should drink twice as much water as you would ordinarily, as this will cause the illness to clear up much more quickly. In most cases, it is determined by the weight that you now have. For instance, if you weigh 120 pounds, then you should aim to consume at least 60 ounces of water each and every day. After talking about these remedies for UTI, here are some known causes of it. Sexual intercourse, birth control, holding your urine, feminine products with stronger chemicals, constipation, dehydration, and kidney stones. Now we're sure we all know it all boils down to a balance of a good diet, exercise, and plenty of rest. If we take care of our bodies, it will also do wonders for us. The information contained in this video is not intended to be a substitute for professional advice, so make sure to ask your doctor if you have any concerns about a medical condition. If you learned something from the video, please don't forget to hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and turn on the bell notification. Thanks for watching.